design team member for Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I have a new product announcement for you, and I'm so stinking excited. So if you don't know me, you're new to this channel, new to Stamp Anything, I did a Pride collab last June with my friend World of Michael Trent, and we struggled to find diverse and inclusive stamps to use for Pride Month. And once we had kind of, that had stopped, I did a more thorough search and I stumbled upon Stamp Anything. And that's how my whole journey with Stamp Anything began. I am a fierce ally. I'm very outspoken. If you've missed it, we created an Equality for All Makers collab where we are posting a Pride video every Friday until the end of Pride Month. Going forward, we hope to, expand that into, races and religions, etc., just more diversity. But if you are in the US or if you're from, out of the US and looking on, that the LGBTQIA plus rainbow spectrum community is under attack. And I don't understand why. Actually, that's a lie. I do understand why they're trying to take attention from, like, oh, don't, be afraid of this drag queen, but, try not to think about the, the children that have been murdered because we won't do anything about guns. But here, let's make sure these drag queens can't read the children. It's such a mess, and it's terrifying to me because I do not want anybody that I love to lose their basic human rights. So I knew that I wanted to do another collab. I knew that I wanted those Stamp Anything stamps, and that's really how my journey with them has started. So in today's video, I am introducing you to our new Pride bundle. So yes, this is how big it is. This is true to size. You will get this full color packaging along with your stamps. So this is live as of right now, which is 10 a.m. Eastern time. I will have the link listed in the description box down below. It is $55, which I know you're like, Misty, that sounds really expensive, but look at all the stamps you're getting. You're getting 2 couple stamps, and you're getting 4 single stamps. Then you're getting 5 sentiments, and then you have more sentiments because you have 3 characters that could be, getting married or getting engaged, put a ring on it. You get a pair of glasses and you get some eyelashes with mascara on them. So this is available. It's $55. It's first come, first serve. So if this sells out, I don't think they're going to do a second run of this. I could be wrong. But Anne had mentioned earlier in the year that she wasn't going to grab and go boxes and bundles. What she had is what she had. So we'll have to wait and see. But you're not going to want to wait to get this bundle. So I'm going to go over to the craft table. I'm going to share with you what these images look like stamped. And yeah, I'm so excited. So hopefully tomorrow, Saturday, I will have a project video for you using this bundle. And my goal will be to post at least 1 or 2 more next week. And then of course, next Friday will be another Fanny Friday and another Equality for All Makers Collab project. So yeah. I have been asking about this bundle for months. I'm so excited that it's here. And yeah, and if you are someone on the rainbow spectrum, I just want to say that you are loved. You are meant to be here. We are allies. We will offer the support that we can. Just reach out if you need someone, and enjoy Pride Month. Enjoy being who you are and being in your own skin. We love you so very much. Okay, let me show you what these look like stamped. And yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm turning on my light so you guys can see. This is what the bundle looks like, all colored up. So you've got 2 different couples. You've got a basically non-binary, I guess is what you would call this one, because it could be either male or female. same for this, and then you've got this cute little guy, and then these are glasses, and then she's given us some eyelashes and a heart. So it's the only choice I made was to be myself. Let's get one thing straight, I'm not. Being gay is like glitter, it never goes away. Peace, love, pride. I'm the rainbow sheep of my family, and then congrats, he, she, they, put a ring on it. So it's a really, it's a pretty substantial and big bundle, which is why it's so expensive. Now there's no dyes or anything like that goes with, so you'll have to either fussy cut, which these images look like they're pretty easy to do that, or if you have a cutting machine like the Brother Skin and Cut or something similar, then you can do it that way. All right, let's turn the lights back on. There we go. All right, I'm going to share with you all of the stamped images, or all of the images and sentiments stamped out. Oh, that's Kevin. That's the mermaid. These aren't the best. This is my fault, not the stamp's fault, because I got a little heavy-handed with the ink. But I just wanted to see what they look like stamped out.